Hello guys, my name is Akash. वेलकम टू द स्टडी विद आकाश। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया है, जो एनसीईआरटी में है उसके अलावा थोड़ा और इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगा जो कि ह्यूमन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। हम बेसिक जान लेते हैं। बेसिक तो ह्यूमन बीइंग इज ए यूनिसेक्सुअल। ह्यूमन यूनिसेक्सुअल ह्यूमन बीइंग इज ए यूनिसेक्सुअल। तो ये रिप्रोड्यूस करता है सेक्सुअली में। इट इज़ ए सेक्सुअली रिप्रोड्यूस। एंड ये जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है वो एक डायमॉर्फिज्म। ठीक है। देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is human male possess reproductive system called male reproductive system. Then the male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes which is called primary reproductive system. Human male consists of a pair of testes. A pair of testes is called as primary reproductive system. Human male have a different organs like epididymis, vast difference. Ejaculatory duct and urethra. The end penis. And these are called accessory organ. Then जैसे हमारा accessory organ होता है वैसे ही कुछ accessory glands भी रहते हैं। ठीक है, like seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and corpus glands. Then next point, the next topic is structure of testes or male reproductive system. That's are like इसको हम कहते हैं यूरेटर। यहाँ से जाता है यूरिनरी ब्लडर। ये है फास्ट डिफरेंस। ये है सर्मिनल वेसिकल। Then this is called prostate gland. Then this is called urethra. Then glans penis. Then it is called testis. And these two called bulbourethra. About testis. Now testis. It is a pair of testes are present in male reproductive system. A pair of testes are present, and it is outer cover with abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity, and it is a bag-like structure. Called scrotum sac. Where the temperature is 2 to 3 degree less than the body temperature. Where temperature is 2 degree to 3 degree less than the body temperature, right? Then morphology of testis. Okay. Now next topic is morphology of testis. Testis is oval in shape and measuring about 4 to 5 cm in length and 2 to 3 centimeter in breadth and 10 to 15 gram in weight, right? Next is it is hang it in its position by it is hang and it is hang spermatic cord, right? Then our next is histology of testis. Histology of testis. Testis is covered by tunica albuginea. Testis covered tunica albuginea. And then which is made up of made by made up of 250 elongated coiled, right? Sorry, it is 250 elongated coiled called seminiferous table, and it is also called structural and functional unit of testis, right? Then we move to the next point, that is seminiferous tubule are lined by germinal epithelium, and it is made up of germinal epithelial cell for reproduction of for production of sperm. Then seminiferous tubule lined by germinal epithelium made up of germinal epithelial cell, right, which is production of sperm. Different stages are present of sperm. Sperm, different stages, which are spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, then spermatid, then sperm, and we can call spermatozoa. In between different stages of sperm, elongated cells are present called Sertoli cell. In between stages of sperm, elongated cells are present called Sertoli cells, which provide nutrient to the sperm. मैं अभी जो पॉइंट बताने जा रहा हूँ वो कभी नीट के एग्ज़ाम में आ सकता है। वो है in between the seminiferous tubule, interstitial cells or Leydig cells are present which secrete male sex hormone called testosterone, right? Between seminiferous table, interstitial cell or Leydig cells are present, which secrete male sex hormone. Male sex hormone called testosterone. नाउ मैं अभी सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबल का स्ट्रक्चर दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है। नाउ एक छोटा सा पार्ट है ये। सो ये है हमारा सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबल। And it is called Sertoli cell. And these are called interstitial cell. And it is blood cell. Then मैंने बताया था कुछ डिफरेंट स्टेज है स्पर्म बनने के लिए, तो उसमें से ये यही है, जो कि ये है हमारा प्राइमरी spermatocyte. These are spermatogonia. These are primary spermatocyte. Then secondary spermatocyte. Then it is spermatid. Then sperm और spermatozoa. नाउ मैंने कुछ एसेसरी ऑर्गन्स बताया था, तो हम उस टॉपिक को लेकर बहुत कुछ जानेंगे अब, ठीक है। लाइक एपिडिडेमिस फर्स्ट था हमारा। सो हमारा ये जो बनता है ऑल vast difference fuses to produce, then it remain in circle, and it is divisible into three parts, like outer carpus, and second is middle carpus, caput, and third one is last is lower cauda and lower cauda. Then इसका now next is vast difference. It is the at the two side vast difference leave scrotum sac and enter to the abdominal cavity by passing through inguinal canal, right? Leave scrotum sac and enter abdominal cavity passing through inguinal canal, right? The sperm next is the sperm which is stored in epididymis and transport into the abdominal through vas deferens and release into ejaculatory duct. And this is the process is how sperm passes through the urethra. Because of like this is the important point of view of exam, and it is that are and it is sperm which is store in epididymis are transport into the abdominal abdomen cavity, abdomen through vas deferens and release into the ejaculatory duct and release ejaculatory duct. Then next topic is ejaculatory duct. It is the small tube from by fusion of vas deferens and duct of seminal vesicle, and it is fusion of vas deferens and the duct of seminal vesicle. At the both side, ejaculatory duct open into the urethra, and it is ejaculate the sperm at the time of ejaculation, right? Then next point is at both side ejaculatory duct open into urethra and it ejaculate the sperm at the time of ejaculation. Now next topic is urethra. Urethra is a tube-like structure, and it develops from urinary bladder and passes through the penis. It de- develop develop in urinary bladder and passes through penis. The next is it opens outside of the and it opens outside at the tip of the penis. Outside at tip of the penis. Then last point is that's common passes for urination and release of semen during copulation. Copulation means when sorry. Then is last point is act as it act common passes for urination and release of semen during copulation. Next topic is penis, right? Penis, it is a single muscular spongy organ, and it is called a male copulatory organ and thin covering. It is thin covered, okay, thin covered but loose skin or thin skin called foreskin, okay. Then next is tip of the penis is called glans penis. Then next, the penis is made up of erectile cord of spongy tissue. Penis is made up of 3 erectile cord of spongy tissue. Out which present dorsal side or one is or another is present in ventral side. Then last point is during sexual intercourse or copulation. During 4 is a copulation. During copulation, the penis became ejaculate. Sorry. During copulation, the penis become erectile, which release male gamete into vagina of mother, which release the male gamete into the vagina of the mother body. In previous, I tell you that some accessory glands are present, like seminal vesicle, prostate gland, corpus gland. Do you remember? We studied about accessory gland. These three glands are present. So we study. These three accessory glands are not important for NEET or any or 12th board or any exam. So we study small points. Accessory gland. One is seminal vesicle. First point is it secrete yellow, not yellow, okay, yellow color nutritive fluid from most of semen, and it is filled with vitamins fructose, amino acid, and large amount of chemical called which provide protection to sperm, which provide protection to the sperm. Then is prostate gland. In prostate gland, it secretes white color and alkaline fluid that neutralize acidic of urethra. Alkaline fluid that neutralize an acidity of urethra. Then it is contain lubricating acid to produce friction inside the male reproductive system. Inside male reproductive system. Then is corpus gland. It secrete alkaline fluid to neutralize the acidity in urethra of male and vagina of the female. Next point is last point. It also helps lubricating both male and female reproductive system for movement of sperm. Also help lubricating both male and female reproductive system for movement of the sperm. Thank you guys. This is the all of male reproductive system. Next we will study human female reproductive system, but on next video I think नेक्स्ट हम फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन मैं सोच रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में केमिस्ट्री लाऊं। सो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप कमेंट करें, तो मैं केमिस्ट्री बोलोगे तो केमिस्ट्री लाऊंगा और मैथ बोलोगे तो मैथ भी लाऊंगा। अगर मैथ लाना है तो मैं प्रोबेबिलिटी का कुछ क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करूंगा एंड कुछ फॉर्मूलाज बताऊंगा जो कि जेई में भी काम आएंगे एंड CUET जो एग्ज़ाम है वहाँ पर भी काम आएंगे सब। एंड मैंने ये सब जो भी पढ़ा है मैंने वो सभी एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और कॉम्पिटिटिव और एंट्रेंस के ऊपर भी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो ध्यान से पढ़ें, मज़े करें। धन्यवाद।